Let's get a round of applause for our Scholars Academy Color Guard. Welcome to the Grade 7 Outstanding Scholar Assembly for marking period 2 of the 2021-2022 school year. To begin today, I want to recognize the work that goes into holding these assemblies. So get your hands ready because we are going to start with some clapping as a warm-up for this event. I first want to thank the staff members and student leaders who work hard to make sure everything runs smoothly. First is, I have a few names first. First is Ms. Supple and Ms. Vieira for the overall organization of this event. Let's give them a round of applause. There will be a few performances today, one of them including the color guard, and I'd like to thank Ms. Cohn, Ms. Kostic, and Ms. Greco for helping prepare all of these performers. Give them a round of applause. I do also want to thank two people who have been working incredibly hard, really all year, but particularly during this month of February, who do a tremendous amount of work with our student government, our Black Student Union, and all of our student-run clubs. Give a round of applause to Ms. Newman and Ms. Quintana. And my last thank you in this introduction is a very important person and team of students who ensure that the family members of our amazing, outstanding scholars who aren't able to be here in person don't miss out on this event. Mr. Racinos and the media team are making sure all of these events are recorded and that photographs are taken so we can memorialize this and share with family members. So let's give them a big round of applause. And now for the next part of our assembly. Before we get to celebrate our outstanding scholars, we have some celebrations and performances. This month of February is a very busy one. It's a short one, but it's very busy. We are celebrating Black History Month and Respect for All Week. As I walk through the building and spend time in meetings and planning activities within our school as well as across our district, I have been especially proud of and inspired by many of our upperclassmen who are taking a strong leadership role within our school community. Our GLOW mentors, Student Leadership Council, Black Student Union, student government leaders, and other members of student clubs have been so busy this week planning and facilitating lessons in the classroom during the day and planning and facilitating after-school sessions on Zoom. And I'm so proud to see the work that they're putting in and that they're taking advantage of these opportunities to grow and become the leaders of tomorrow. During today's program, you are going to hear from our student government president, Ahidaman, who will share a little bit about how he has developed as a leader during his year at Scholars Academy. I hope that his story inspires you to seek out opportunities to get involved in our school community outside of the classroom and share your voice.